So let's start. Last week we experimented with these 3 different techniques to make mayonnaise. All turned out great. Go check out the episode, it's definitely worth it if you want to know how to make a homemade mayonnaise very quickly, very delicious. This week we're going to experiment with different flavors for different tastes, all made from our very easy to make base mayonnaise. The world famous honey mustard mayonnaise that we use for our steak sandwiches. If you haven't checked them out as well. A chili mayonnaise that goes exceptionally well with everything that needs a little punch of flavor. And a classic Aioli, a Mediterranean garlic mayonnaise that is, with some extra finesse to it. Making mayonnaise is a pretty important skill. It is one of the 5 basic sauces in the classic cuisine, and it serves as a basis for numerous derivations for other types of sauces. You find mayonnaise, many other chilled sauces and salad dressings, for example for our honey mustard mayonnaise, for our steak sandwich sauce, which is actually honey remoulade. And the remoulade is from the classic French cuisine. It's a mix of mayonnaise and mustard, gherkins, and we added honey for our signature steak sandwich sauce on top of all of it. Mayonnaise is one of those condiments that have a pretty bad reputation for being unhealthy. The ingredients basically are different fats mixed together, egg yolk and oil. But if you choose the right sorts of fats, for example, I experimented with olive oil today and I used xylitol as sweetener, not regular white sugar. Keep all the preservatives out of your mixture and savor in mindful portions. Then mayonnaise can be this beautiful thing you don't have to ban from your diet entirely. And I'm going to show you just how beautiful it is today with different variations of our standard mayonnaise. Eggs and then some oil. I'm gonna test some olive oil and some normal vegetable oil today. You're going to need some mustard, a teaspoon of mustard. You're going to need some salt and some sugar. And then you're going to need a little bit of white vinegar as well. So here we go with white vinegar. And of course some pepper. Some like white pepper, others like I